Morning, Mr. Knott.
Good morning, Mr. Knott.
What picture's she working in?
She has the lead in our new prospecting film, Big Payloads.
You better believe it. No trick stuff now. I want all these shots to be the real thing.
Yes, sir, Mr. Knotts.
Good boy. What picture's this?
They're rehearsing our picture on campers. At work or at play, Dodge leads the way.
Oh, of course.
We're filming the history of Dodge truck. This man designed the town wagon.
Oh, good, good. Now, where are the titles? I'd like to take a look at them before we go out on location.
They're right over here, Mr. Knotts.
Oh, yeah, that's a good start. But I want that word tough to look tough. Put some muscles on it somewhere. When they see that word on the screen, I want everyone to see a Dodge truck in every curve, in every downstroke, in every upstroke, and in the spaces in between. All right, next. Oh, I wouldn't want them to think I was the whole show. Well, is the company all set?
Ready and waiting, Mr. Knotts.
Fine, fine. All right, men. Who is she?
She's sitting in as technical director. No one from the factory could make it.
Men, ladies, and men. Now, before we leave for location, I want to make it perfectly clear just what we're doing today. Now, this picture we're shooting is not only for the training of new personnel in our organization, but for everyone else who needs a little assistance in seeing the light. Dodge trucks are moving up, and we intend to keep them moving. The gap between Dodge and all competition is narrowing a little each day. And I want to show how to demonstrate these tough trucks so we can close that gap and shut the door. Any questions?
Yes, what trucks do we demonstrate?
Four-wheel drive, tilt, D100 pickup.
Oh, I thought we were going to show our campers at work. Why don't we use those?
We are using them. How do you think we're getting out to location? Eddie?
Yes, sir.
Did you hire the stunt drivers?
They're all set, sir.
Pay them off. I'll do the driving myself.
Oh, Mr. Knotts, isn't that too dangerous?
It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. W.E. Henley, 1879. Let's move it. Let's get started with the first test. What truck is it?
The four-wheel drive, Mr. Knotts.
Oh, yes. That mud-loving power wagon. I want to show this baby's ability to get through anything. All right, set it up right here. I'll be here in just a second.
I know he's trying to demonstrate Dodge trucks at work, but don't you think that's a little ridiculous?
If you haven't tried it, don't knock it.
Oh, Horace, stay with me now. No telling where I'll go. I'm gonna whale this baby till we get footage ourselves. Good boy.
Good boy. Be careful out there today now, boss.
Yeah, watch that mutt, boss. Watch it.
Take it easy, Mr. Knotts.
You wait for me?
Careful of the rocks.
Good luck, boss.
Ready, camera?
Ready, camera.
Ready, camera.
Ready, sound?
Ready, sound.
Ready, sound.
Roll it!
Roll 'em.
Roll it! Boy, you just got to get them in these babies so they can feel the power and ride. Dig in now, honey. Don't let this little mud hole bother you. That's it. Bite, damn it, bite! Show them that Dodge builds the best four-wheeler in the business.
That's the way to go, boss.
Oh, that was marvelous driving, Mr. Knotts. Marvelous.
Cut! Print that!
Great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, wonderful.
Oh, I do wish he wouldn't take such chances. He's so impulsive.
Knots! Dodge! Bill! Top! Rocks! Only fools rush in where angels fear to tread. Alexander Pope, 1734.
Okay, Horace. Bring the camera in, right in here.
Get a fishbowl in here,
Give me two reflectors. Two reflectors right about in here. Will somebody get this pair out of here, please?
These are the times that try men's souls. Thomas Paine, 1767. Don't forget the romaine lettuce for our weekend trip, honey. We'll take the camp wagon.
Oh,
What's next shot? Why are we working? Where's the trap?
right here, sir. Everything's all set.
Oh, yeah. Oh, let's take this. All right.
Oh!
All right, ready, camera.
Ready, camera.
Ready, camera.
Ready, sound.
Ready, sound.
Ready, sound.
Roll 'em.
I don't get it. I just don't get it.
Don't get what?
The fastest growing segment of the truck market is in campers and compact vans. But we're out here demonstrating power in the big ones.
That's the way the boss wants it.
What do you mean?
He likes to handle the campers personally.
You mean we gotta sell only the big jobs?
Oh, I didn't say that. There's panels, pickups, stakes, and all kinds of specialty jobs that are a man's work.
Man's work?
Exactly. Look over there. Rita, Yasmin, Gidget. That's his sales force for work and play trucks. Does all his selling on weekends.
Wow.
We haven't had a camper in the shop for months. Has them delivered to the girls right from the factory. Calls it the soft cell.
Come on, baby. Show 'em your diesel power. Toughest truck ever built. Solid as a rock, steady as a battleship.
Way to go, boss.
You were great, boss. Just great.
Cut, print that!
The best driving I've ever seen. Well, that was a real toughness test, boss. Boss? Boss? That tilt could move Pikes Peak if there's only some way of hitching it up. What a truck. What a driver. What a way to test the power of our truck. What was that? What was that? Didn't you hear something?
All right, who's the wise guy? Come on, speak up, let's hear it. All right, regroup, regroup. Get those wagons moving around. Where's the driver of the truck? Get the women and children out of here. Retreat? No, I mean don't retreat. Well, hide. That's what I mean. Hey, get in front. Get down. What a demonstration. Toughest truck ever built. Who can I tell about it? Nobody saw it. This is a sad state of affairs. Greatest show on earth, and nobody.
Good show.
But nobody saw it. Greatest demonstration ever performed, and there wasn't.
Yes, I know.
Oh, you should have seen that truck go. What power, what performance. Just like all trucks made by Dodge.
Now, just you relax. Don't worry about a thing.
And you know something else? This has got to be the greatest year in Dodge truck history. Everything's working for us. The economy is booming. The future never looked brighter. And we're going to sell 146,000 trucks. Lynn Townsend, 1965.